What if we're not alone? What if somewhere out there, amidst the billions of stars and galaxies, there exists another planet teeming with life? Just imagine waking up one morning to the news that astronomers have confirmed the existence of extraterrestrial life. How would that change your perspective? How would it change the world? In this video, we're going to explore the mind-blowing possibilities of discovering a new planet with life. We'll delve into the scientific, ethical, and cultural implications of such a discovery and how it could shape the future of humanity itself. Get ready to have your mind blown. Okay, picture this. You're scrolling through your news feed, sipping your morning coffee, and bam, a headline jumps out at you. Scientists confirm existence of life on distant planet. It's not just another clickbait headline, it's the real deal. Not just microbes, mind you, but complex, intelligent life. Creatures with thoughts, societies, maybe even civilizations. Think about it. This wouldn't be just another news story, this would be a paradigm shift for humanity. A moment that would be etched in history forever. For millennia, we've looked up at the stars and wondered if anyone was looking back. We've written stories, made movies, and dreamed about this very moment. The confirmation of extraterrestrial life would answer one of the biggest questions in human history and open up a Pandora's box of new ones. Questions that would keep scientists and philosophers busy for generations. The initial wave of discovery would be pure, unadulterated excitement. People would be celebrating in the streets, sharing the news with friends and family. People would be glued to their screens, devouring every bit of information about this new world. News channels would run 24/7 coverage, and social media would be ablaze with theories and speculations. Scientists would be scrambling to learn more, governments would be holding emergency meetings, and everyone, from astrophysicists to your next-door neighbor, would be buzzing with speculation. The world would be united in curiosity and wonder. What do these life forms look like? Are they humanoid or something entirely different? How similar are they to us? Do they have technology? Could they be more advanced than us? Are they friendly or hostile? Could we communicate with them, or would we be met with silence? The discovery would dominate global conversations, sparking endless debates and discussions. Every talk show, every cafe, every dinner table would be buzzing with the news. Imagine the memes, the tweets, the late-night talk show jokes. The internet would explode with creativity and humor. It would be a cultural phenomenon unlike anything we've ever seen. A moment that would bring humanity together in awe and wonder. But beyond the initial excitement, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would have profound and lasting implications for humanity. It would change the way we see ourselves and our place in the universe. It would challenge our understanding of the universe and our place in it, forcing us to confront our deepest fears and aspirations. A discovery that would echo through the ages, reshaping our future in ways we can't even begin to imagine. Let's talk about the scientific earthquake this discovery would trigger. Imagine the floodgates of new research and discovery that would open up. Biologists would be drooling over the chance to study alien life forms, unraveling the mysteries of their biology and evolution. Are they carbon-based like us, or something completely different? Do they have DNA? What can their physiology teach us about life itself? Astronomers would be working overtime, training their telescopes on this new world, studying its atmosphere, its geology, its moons, everything. They'd be searching for clues about its history, its climate, and the potential for other life-bearing planets in the system. And physicists? Well, they'd be on the hunt for new physics. The possibility of faster-than-light travel, wormholes, new forms of energy, all these concepts that were once relegated to science fiction would suddenly become tantalizingly real. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be a technological goldmine. Think about the advancements in communication, propulsion, and energy production we'd need to develop to interact with this new civilization. We might even unlock the secrets to technologies we haven't even dreamed of yet. This wouldn't be just about building bigger telescopes or faster rockets. This would be about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and innovation. Chapter 3. The Ethical Dilemmas. Now let's dive into the ethical minefield that awaits us. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would force us to confront some deeply uncomfortable questions about our own behavior and our place in the universe. Do we have the right to make contact with this new civilization, or should we observe them from afar, respecting their autonomy? What if they're less advanced than us? How do we ensure we don't repeat the mistakes of our own colonial past? Do we have an obligation to protect them, to guide them, or would that be a form of cosmic colonialism, imposing our values and systems on them? And what if they're more advanced? What if their technology and culture surpass ours in ways we can't even imagine? Would we even be able to comprehend their technology, their culture, their ethics? How would we bridge such a vast gap in understanding? Would they see us as equals, or as something to be studied, exploited, or even eradicated? The power dynamics could be overwhelming. These aren't just hypothetical questions. These are the real-world dilemmas we'd face, dilemmas that could shape the destiny of our species. The way we choose to answer them would define our future as a species, influencing our path forward in the cosmos. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would challenge our existing legal and ethical frameworks, pushing us to rethink our principles. We'd need to develop new international treaties and protocols for interacting with this new civilization, for protecting their rights, and for safeguarding our own planet from potential threats. It would be a complex and delicate process, fraught with potential pitfalls, but it would also be an opportunity to re-evaluate our own values and to strive for a more just and equitable future for all life, both on Earth and beyond. The ethical dilemmas we face could ultimately lead us to a higher understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Chapter 4. The cultural shift. Hold on tight, because we're about to enter the realm of cultural upheaval. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would shake the foundations of our societies, religions, and belief systems. Imagine the impact on religions that have long held that humans are unique in the universe. Would they adapt, evolve, or face a crisis of faith? How would our art, literature, and music reflect this newfound cosmic perspective? Would we see a surge in creativity, a renaissance of human expression inspired by the infinite possibilities of the universe? And what about our social structures? Would the discovery of extraterrestrial life unite us as a species, facing a common other? Or would it exacerbate existing divisions, leading to fear, xenophobia, and conflict? The cultural impact of discovering extraterrestrial life would be profound and unpredictable. It would challenge our assumptions about ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the very meaning of life itself. It would be a time of great uncertainty, but also a time of immense opportunity for growth, reflection, and transformation. Chapter 5. The Future of Exploration. Fasten your seatbelts, because the discovery of extraterrestrial life would launch us into a new era of space exploration, one filled with unprecedented opportunities and challenges. No longer would space be a desolate, empty void, but a realm brimming with potential and mystery. It would be a frontier teeming with possibility, a cosmic ocean waiting to be explored, with each discovery leading to more questions and adventures. Governments would pour resources into space programs driven by the potential for groundbreaking discoveries and national pride. Private companies would race to develop new technologies, eager to stake their claim in this new frontier and push the boundaries of what's possible. And the dream of interstellar travel would move from the realm of science fiction to the realm of possibility, inspiring generations to come. Imagine a future where we're sending probes, then crewed missions to this new planet, each step bringing us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Imagine the knowledge we could gain, the scientific breakthroughs that could revolutionize our understanding of life itself, the relationships we could forge, uniting humanity in a common quest for knowledge and exploration, the future we could build together, a future where humanity thrives among the stars. The discovery of extraterrestrial life wouldn't just be a destination, it would be a starting point, a catalyst for a new age of exploration and discovery that could last for centuries, reshaping our civilization. But it's not just about reaching out to this one planet. It's about igniting a passion for the unknown. The discovery of life elsewhere would ignite our curiosity about the universe like never before, pushing us to explore further. We'd be scanning the skies with renewed fervor, driven by the hope of finding more signs of life, searching for signs of other civilizations, other life forms, other possibilities that could change everything we know. The universe would become a much bigger, much more exciting place filled with endless opportunities for discovery, and we as a species would be forever changed by the experience, united in our quest to explore the cosmos. The future of exploration is not just about where we go, but about who we become in the process. Outro, a universe of wonder. So there you have it. The discovery of a new planet with life would be a momentous event, transforming our science, our ethics, our culture, and our very future. It would be a challenge, an opportunity, and an adventure all rolled into one. What do you think about the possibility of finding life beyond Earth? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of the universe. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. As we stand on the cusp of this new frontier, let us remember the words of Carl Sagan. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring.